Morning all. Okay, let's have one or two games this morning. Tiger1957. Right. So he's 2300 at the moment. I'll play the Morris Smith, which I've ordered a book on recently. Actually, there's a new book on it. Let's play E5 here because the pawn chain may be more solid than usual, and he can't pin that knight. In fact, can I play knight C3 now? More natural square than usual. Okay, do I want to stop that? Well, the knight can go over there. It's not a big deal either. If the knight goes to G3, I can't complain. In fact, I'll preempt that. The dark squares as well to celebrate. Okay, Queen D2 as well. So there's no H6. So hopefully this is a good position. A few things seem to be going well, but okay, so now it's getting a bit tricky to protect this guy on D4. Let's add more support to that. Okay, let's double these pawns and bishop H6, I think. So with D4, okay. C5 square, knight E1 to D3. It's going to have a knight E6 blockade. That will be pretty good. Okay. Queen G5 H6. Okay, rook C1. Is that a move? Maybe rook C1 here. See what he does. There's knight E6. What about? I can't play knight G5. B4. Maybe just try and lock down the C5 square. Okay. Exchange sack just to win D5 might be good. He's got that nice knight. If I can maybe use the D4 square as well, this could be good. Exchange for a pawn. Although, are the rooks that good? I'll lose that pawn. Okay. This might not be the best idea in the world, but there's bishop F3. It looks quite dangerous. F4, bishop F3. If I get these passed pawns, if he ever takes on D6, then I think he's in trouble. I'll get this supported, so it's not a problem. Bishop F3 coming up. So E5. Okay, he's giving me B5 to work with. Does it just attack that for a moment, or is this B pawn too strong? No, I can't lose C6 on the sack. I'll play knight B5 with tempo. If he plays knight there, knight B5 with tempo. If he plays rook B8, okay, maybe C6. So I'm threatening C7, rook D8. So my own passed pawn there. I'm not. Whoops. Bishop D3. Maybe, or bishop D5. I think bishop D3. Get the king in. To E3. Now on rook D8 there's C7. On here I can just take. On rook B6 maybe there's C7. Right. Can I blockade this for a moment? With knight D4 coming up. Okay, he's going to have to we'll give up B3. Okay. And that doesn't look too hot for me. Okay, there's Nd4 here though. At least I control C2 for a moment. Try and get my king somewhere useful. I think you missed the possibility of a few checks. They seem quite dangerous. So is that E6 here? Or Rook B8? I think E6 might be good. Yeah, Rook B8. Rook B8 is tempting here. C4, I think. Okay, E6 first. Aha, he's given me an interesting possibility. Okay, to get my king in. Oh, he's going to win lots of pawns though. Drive the king. Oh, I'm driving the king forward. That's not good. So he's 3 pawns up. Yes, not good. Oh dear, oh dear. It's gone. It's 4 pawns up now. Went a bit adventurous then. Unnecessary, maybe exchange sack. It looked good for a moment. For a while, I thought, but this A5 and taking that pawn is also a bit of a pain. How about a quicker bishop F3 here? Would have been good. Maybe try and get the exchange back with knight C6. That looks actually also probably not that interesting. The problem here is actually in this position, yeah, the problem here is if I took then takes, but mind you, this pawn's dangerous. So A6. Oh no, not awake. This is looking dangerous. Okay, so yeah, there was an improvement there, a major improvement maybe. Whoops. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.